Is this the ultimate Christmas song? Down, down, up, up, down, hanging up your stockings on your wall. Maybe throwing a little sus. Time that every Santa has a ball. Now we're going to go C. Ride a red-nosed reindeer again, turn up on a sleigh. A minor, fairies keep him sober for a day. Chorus goes, here it is, Merry Christmas, everybody's having fun. It's really cool how it goes from G to B minor to B flat, unexpected. Or the way around it if you don't want a bar. Is Merry Christmas, everybody's having fun. So that's a way around it. So I'm going to strum both ways. Is Merry Christmas, everybody's having fun. Now the other way. Look to the future now, it's only just begun. Now it then goes the verses and the chorus again, but then there's that really cool haunting bit where we go, what will your daddy do when he sees your mama kissing Santa Claus? Ah. Now that is a D minor, which hopefully you know, but then you've got this D augmented. Now an augmented chord always has a bit of a haunt to it. And you can probably see here, if I just nudge in D minor and you add the little finger here on string G. So hold the D minor and add the little finger here. Okay, so it then gives you, what will your daddy do when he sees your mama kissing Santa Claus? Okay, and then we're gonna go, aha, are you hanging up? Great Christmas song.